Everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this 3D realistic planet design, or should I say an imaginary planet design. So I'm going to set up a video question for you guys, so if you know the answer, put it in the comment section, and if you don't know the answer, watch this video to the ending, because I'll put the answer anywhere in this video, either at the middle or at the ending. So alright, without wasting much time, let us begin. So I'm going to keep this original design aside, and I'm going to bring this design. So this is the design I'm going to use. So I've made a tutorial on this particular design, so I'll put the link to the video in my description. So do well to check the links, learn how to make this particular 3D sphere design. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it into this particular page. I'm going to reduce the height a little. So right, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to our 2-point line tool. Just going to give it this shape. I'll just simply trace it from here because it's going to be easier. It's perfect. So I'm just going to bring out the outline and place it on this particular one. So I'm going to give it a white color. Oh, that seems to be blocking it, but it's all good. I'm going to give it a white color. With the outline, I really need the outline. So I'm going to take it under the design. So your control page down is what I'm going to use to take it under that particular design. So control page down, press it at the same time. So once we're done with this, we're going to go to 2 points line. So sorry, I'm just make this little adjustment here. Sorry, this keeps popping up. There is a new version of CorelDRAW coming out for 2024. Damn, it's like $295. I'll just close it. Seems to be giving me a headache, so I'm just gonna do it this way. Oh, it's not gonna work. Alright, so you've done adjusting this. You go to your shape tool, sorry, your 2-point line tool again. So from the center, just gonna draw another line. So as we're done adjusting this, I'll just give this another color. Like, let me give it this color, remove the outline. I'm gonna take it to the back, this. So I'm gonna put the outline back. Yeah, so it like matches with it exactly. So I'll take it to the back. So alright, I'll give this particular design a white color rather. Get the outline to a white color. You know, this particular one I'm gonna give it like this black, 90% black. Go to interactive fill tool. I'm gonna take it this way. So on this section I'm gonna give it white. Yeah, it's gonna be white, but like it's a little touch of gray. I'm gonna take it down a little. Yeah, so I'll just change the color of that black. Let's give it this black. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna double click and give it a gray color too. Alright, it's perfect. So as I'm done with this, I'm gonna group the two of them. So I'll group it. So to group is your Ctrl G. We just come over here and group objects. So I'll just simply press the Ctrl plus the G key on my keyboard. I'm going to duplicate each of them. So to duplicate is Ctrl D. So Ctrl plus D. So I'm going to put it here. So as I'm duplicating, I'm adjusting. So okay, so you can see now it's looking perfect. It's almost like the original design. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna highlight it. Oh shit, is there a problem right here? So but it's no worries, I just hold my shift key to highlight the tool. So I'm just going to shift it away from this. So now you're going to go to our shape tool. So it's over here where it says the polygon tool. Click on that drop down arrow and star tool. So you just draw a star. So it's ensure it has 5 sides. So this has 5 sides, so it's quite okay. So give it a white color. Remove the outline. Go to your bitmaps. Convert to bitmaps. So ensure it's a resolution of 300 dpi. And go to your effect, straight to blur. Yeah, blur is over here, sorry. Then go over to Gaussian blur. So we're just gonna reduce the radius. Alright, see, this looks good. Okay, so this looks perfect. So then I'm gonna go to our ellipse tool, hold your control and draw a circle. So I'm just going to make the circle be the same shape as the 3D sphere. Just going to adjust it a little, adjust here a little too. Alright, give it a white color too. Remove the outline is not really necessary. So go to our bitmaps. Gonna do the same. So your effects, straight to blur and Gaussian blur, but this time I'm gonna increase it. Let us give it this light effect. So you can see now. So I'm gonna take it to the back. So you control page down, the back of every design, so you can see how it's making each of this darker. So if I show you again, take it to the back, has become darker. So you can see now, you can see the effects of light in designing. So at first this particular one was lighter, then as I took it to the back, that light effect I gave it made it look darker. So alright, so you bring the start tool, I'm gonna go to your ellipse tool again, hold your control. So this time I'm gonna draw a bigger circle. So you just make it get the shape of the full design itself. So go to your start tool, so you're gonna adjust it based on the shape of the circle. So you duplicate, so alright, I'm gonna delete that. So you can see now we are done with this design. You can see how easy and simple it was to make such design. So like I always say, do not think that a design is hard or difficult. Instead, just start it and you see that it's actually easy and simple to do. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on my next video.